Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Access Tutorial 7. In today's video, I'll talk about data entry forms in Access. That means how to enter data into a table through a form. So let's deep dive into the practical stuff. Here, this is my table. So far, I put this data directly into table, right? So I don't want to do that. I want to put data through a form, a data entry form, right? So all I need to do, I have to create a new form that is a blank form. So I'll click on blank form and then I'll save it as a data entry form, and I'll select properties, form property, and so here what I'll do, I'll select no for record selector, right, so that I can have better view. And meanwhile I'll change the form color as purple, right? So now what I need to do, I have to drag few controls here. So now I can see student information table contains student name, contact name, email, and see it in design view. So this is student name. So I need this, and then contact name, contact number, then email and state. Country is default. So you can see it, country is default. I don't need to put that in form. That will be the default one. Okay, so I'll drag that from here. One control text box. I'll drag it here, and then student name, you can see that. I'll change the font color for this control as white, so now you can see white. I'll copy it and paste it for student contact number and email as well. This is the level you can put maybe contact number like NUMBER. So it's up to you how you put, right? And then email address and then state. Copy and paste. And then I'll put one more control, that is a button control. I'll change the name of the control like save button. Okay, I'll change the control name as well, like txt student name and contact number, and then email, finally state. So here you can see state has few lookup like Delhi, Mumbai, Haryana. So I want the same name in this control. So what I need to do, I'll have to change the control from text to combo box, right? And I'll change row source type property as value list. All right. And in row source, I'll put these name one by one like Delhi, Haryana, UP, MP, and AP. Right. I'll click on OK and then save it. I need to change one more property here, that is form property, and I'll choose pop up as yes, because I want a smaller form, right? That's changed. And after that, let me change the control name as well. Combo state, that is CMB state, right? Once that is done, I'll have to write a code in order to enter data into a table, right? What I need to do, I'll have to copy the previous code and change some of the code like student information, right? After that, I'll write rs dot add new. So those who haven't watched previous videos, so they can check that video. You will see this code here in order to authenticate a user. So what I've kept same code here. The only thing I changed is student name, and rest is same. Check this form. This is a form, right? I'll enter these values here in this form, and on button click, what I want these information to be inserted into this table, student information table. Here, this table, right? So how can I achieve this? So through this code, I can achieve this. So I'll write rs dot add new, because I'm going to add a new record in this table, right? And then rs dot field name, first student name, and then equal to me dot, that is my current form, me dot txt name, student name dot value. Second is, I'll copy it and paste and change contact number. And what is that? Txt me dot, me means current form, me dot txt, and even you can write the form name as well, but that is a bit longer, so that is why I kept it. So since I'm working on current form, so I can put it me contact student contact dot value. Okay, and student email, e dot txt student email. And finally, this is the combo box. The combo box had different property, so that is state. I'll choose it from there, from combo box dot cm state dot, then rs dot update. Let's see. First, I'll have to delete this data so that I can show you fresh data. I'll double click this form. I'll put my name here. Contact number is this. Email is Delhi. So if I click on save button, so you will see information here. Same information is there. Country is by default, but now there is no message displayed, right? Once you click on this, and once data is saved, these information which has already been put, this control has to be reset, right? And there has to be some validation in place. If somebody put some string here, character, so there has to be a validation in place. Don't put at the rate, so there has to be validation in place, right? So in next video, I'll take you through these things, how to put validation. So the motive of today's video to insert data into table. So in next video, I'll talk about validation as well in the form. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.